Time for a cold one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So, recently it was me and my wife's anniversary, and since she knows how much I love to cook, she ended up giving me a gift card to Academy. So I was like, oh, that's pretty cool, you know. Well, I looked around Academy and I really couldn't find anything that I liked, you know, and then just came across this Old Country Barbecue Pits tabletop grill. And I had seen this years ago and originally wanted to buy it, but for whatever reason I didn't, and I ended up buying the Rambler, and then I got the Weber Jumbo Joe. So I figured, you know what, I'm gonna get it, just check it out. Another little tabletop grill, you know, can't go wrong with another one, right? So let's take a look at it. So this is it right here. Old Country Barbecue Pits. Now let's look at some features of it. So here, the ash pan slides out. So if you want to empty out your coals and slides in like that. Cool hand touch. They're expendable. Great runner right there. So the handle does pull out. So that's what it looks like. And then here you have your vent right there. And then should have shown the bottom vent right there. So it's, I mean, it's nice. I mean, good thing about it is, as it says right here, no assembly required. So everything's welded on, tacked on, everything. You know, it's ready to go. You know, it's thin metal. You can see. But what I like about it is that it's not flimsy. Not like other grills or smokers, and I have one Kingsford smoker that I have, man, that metal's thin and it's flimsy. But this is nothing like that. That's what I like about it. Your handles welded on. Thing right there. And this right here is to keep it closed, keep it locked in. Welded on for your stands. So it's pretty cool. You know, what I like about it is just like the other Old Country smokers. Expendable grate and so maybe if it gets too hot to, you know, mess with your food, you can always slide it out, mess with your food, slide it back in. So if you like that, you know, that's pretty neat. Keep it, you know, keeps it that way. Let's see what else. It doesn't come with the temp gauge, you know, but if you would want to, you can install one however you want to do it. Normally, you know, they're put right there, but it might not, you know, I just wonder how close it'll be to actually read temp gauge. Maybe it'd be pretty close. Who knows? Let's see how it closes. Kind of leaves like a little gap like that from the lid to right here. So, you know, I mean, it's a tabletop, so it's gonna leak out smoke, you know, no matter what. And if you're anal about it, you know, you can try to close it as much as you can by putting the gaskets around it, you know, if you want to do that. But I kind this out. And you can see that when it gets pulled out, you open it, there's nothing underneath it. That's all it is. So you can see. So this is your bottom of your grill. It also is your ashtray. You got some little weld tacks right there. Well, I think I'm gonna remove this. So this kind of bothers me unless I tighten up. I'll probably tighten it up maybe. But every time I remove it, it falls back. So I'm trying to slide it. So I'm probably gonna remove that. So that's what it looks like that. So I mean, see how it goes. And also before I put that back in, this is pretty much shut. The bottom, so you do have gaps right there and right there. But that's only two because it's bent right here, so it's not properly shaped. You know, you could also bend it back, which I probably will, just see so it could fit a little bit better. But take a look at the cooking grate. What I like about it is that it doesn't look cheap. It has a nice weight to it. I mean, it feels good. And I imagine that on the Old Country Barbecue Pit Smokers that it's the exact same way that they're made. Nice that it has the handle to pull out the grate. Nice that it's an expendable metal too. That's nice. It's gonna help retain heat better, and you know, will also make your meat look better. Good. It's pretty good. That's pretty much it. I'll probably try to get it going, get a burn in. But other than that, I mean, I like it. What do y'all think? With tax, this right here will run you $108. Before, I know they were based off at $75. So obviously with metal going up and prices going up with other places and everywhere, you know, price has also gone up. But that's expected. You know, I've checked out the grills that I have now, smokers, and they've all gone up. So, you know, it's not going to stay the same price. But if you're looking and thinking of getting a tabletop, you know, maybe consider something like this. I have seen it at Academy, obviously is where I bought it, and at Buc-ee's. I'm not sure where else they're sold. They're made in Mexico and then sold here in you know, at Academy and Buc-ee's. But I mean, if you have an Old Country Barbecue Pit smoker, then you know the quality of those smokers. So, you know, I mean, we'll see how it turns out with this tabletop, and I'll put it to use, put it to work, you know. But the next thing I'm going to do, I will season it because it is oily inside and sticky. So I don't like that. So I will be seasoning it soon. Hopefully, I'm hoping I can do it today. We'll see, but time might not be on my side. But I'll see. If not, you know, if I don't include it in this video, then that means, you know, it's in another one because I just couldn't do it. But I'm happy with this. I mean, wife was thoughtful enough to get me a gift card because she knows how much I love to barbecue, love anything barbecue. So thought, you know what? Yeah, I can buy accessories and charcoal and all that, but you know, let's get something nice out of it. You know, and this is nice. Another grill. Hey, the more the better, right? Well, you know, I'm gonna end this here, and this was my first impressions of it. You know, just looking over it, just giving you a rundown of it, and then the next one, you know, we'll go from there, seasoning and then cooking on it. So, like always, folks, get you your favorite beverage. Hope you're doing well, and as always, smoke on, everyone.